Now to our top story. You probably won't hear this one again for a long time. Prominent gun rights groups are teaming up with abortion providers.
This is all related to the new fetal heartbeat abortion ban here in Texas. The Supreme Court is debating whether to uphold the law now. It bans abortion as early as 6 weeks, but people who break the law won't go to jail. Instead, private citizens can file civil lawsuits. Penalties are at least $10,000.
As Eyewitness News reporter Matt Houston explains, that's the part of the law that worries people across the political spectrum.
A half-mile down this east side pavement at 2 Amendment Way, freedom rings. It'd be hard to find someone more eager to defend your right to bear arms than Josh Felker.
It's not about guns as much as it's about control and the ability to control the people, to have that tyrannical power is to take away the ability to fight back.
Evidence for Felker's fervor is all over the Lone Star handgun firing range he runs, sometimes subtle, often not. But these days,
it's strange times, and I'd like to wake up from this weird dream we're living in.
Allies come in an unusual form. Abortion providers and some gun groups are lobbying the Supreme Court to overturn Texas's fetal heartbeat abortion ban, to get around judges who shot down similar ideas involving criminal charges. This law invites regular people to sue clinics out of business. Some conservatives fear it's a roadmap to get around the Constitution. A more liberal state might use the trick to institute gun control by inviting lawsuits against dealers and retailers.
I'm glad I'm not a judge. I mean, that's a tough road to hoe.
Conservatives who often side against abortion, like Justice Brett Kavanaugh, say the idea is a slippery slope.
Do I see that where he's coming from? Yeah, I do, but I think it's kind of also, it's already happening.
Whether you think the Second Amendment is under attack, like Felker there, the contention here is that this sort of mechanism could be used for any of your rights. That was Justice Kavanaugh's point on Monday. We're talking voting, religion, speech. Liberal and conservative justices both seem to agree on that point, but they probably won't make a decision on the overall law until sometime in the spring. Until then, it remains in place in Texas. I'm Matt Houston, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.